In this lesson, we'll look at how to open and close a project. There are basically 4 different ways that you can access projects that you created in the past and now you want to reopen to work on some more. The first method is to use the recently opened projects on the Start page. However, if your project does not appear here, then you can select the Open Project button on the Start page, which opens up the Open Project dialog. Now I'm going to cancel this because there's another way to get to this screen, and I want to show you all the different ways to do that. The third way is to select File, Recent Projects, and this too has a list of all the projects that you recently opened. But alas, if you can't find what you're looking for here, you can go to Open Project dialog once again by selecting File, Open Project, and you come back to this Open Project dialog. Now in my case, I know that my project is in the My New Web Project folder. However, if it was someplace else in the hard drive, you can select the Look-in folder, Look-in drop-down box, and you can navigate the hard drive or the network to find the project that you're looking for. But again, in my case, I'm looking for the My New Web Project folder. And so I merely have to select the folder and select Open. It's going to show me all the files within that folder. And I'm going to select the solution. I could select either the project or the solution, but as you'll learn in the next video, 1008, Understanding Solutions and Projects, that it's probably better to work in terms of solutions. So I'm going to select the solution and then select Open, and within a few moments the project will be loaded into VisualStudio.net, and we'll see a confirmation of that in the Solution Explorer to the right-hand side. So now our project is open, and we could open the files here in the Solution Explorer. But all we really need to do now is to learn how to close the project. And there's really only one way to close a project, and that is to go to the File, Close Solution. You might be tempted to select the Close button. However, when you do, all it does is close the window in the current main area, and that would be, in this case, the Start page just went away. Select instead the Close Solution menu item, and this will close out the entire solution and the project, and now we're working with an empty VisualStudio.net. And you can load in a new project at this point or do whatever you please. So this concludes Lesson 1007, Opening and Closing a Project. We hope you enjoyed this video.